underwater sushi rolls, a squishy ice cream cone, soft seafood, and a burger for butterflies? Find out how to make stress relievers that look like food for Mermaid and Fairy. Fairy is preparing a tea party. She is waiting for her friend Mermaid to come by. But the underwater princess is running late. She must have gotten stuck in sea traffic as usual. I need to call my friend with my fairy phone. She starts decorating a shelf. She's not in the mood to go out. She has an ocean's worth of decoration errands to run. Fairy feels she must cheer up her friend. She uses her imagination fish tank and conjures an unusual squishy stress reliever just for sea dwellers. Put a layer of hollow fiber filling on a black foam rubber sheet. Cut a foam rubber sheet avocado into strips. Add pieces of foam rubber sheet salmon and strips of soft foam rubber cucumber. Place the filling on one side and make a roll. Hot glue it. Wrap the roll in double-sided sequin fabric. Cut the roll into servings and put them onto a plate. Decorate them with fish made from a glittering foam rubber sheet. These are her favorite sea dragon sushi rolls, but they are very soft and sparkling. These sequins shine like the scales of a magical fish. Mermaid sadness vanished into thin air. She uses the squishy rolls for her decorating purposes. An amazing squishy pyramid appears on the shelf. It's with cute fish. Now she can drop in on her friend Fairy. Mermaid is a little clumsy when she's ashore. She knocks over her friend's cactus with her gorgeous tail. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Mermaid wants to fix the situation. One moment and Fairy's cactus is back to normal. And to make up for her clumsiness, Mermaid conjures a squishy gift for Fairy. Cut a soft foam sheet into thin strips. Use different colors. Attach the strips to a rectangular piece of a yoga mat. Use hot glue. Attach the strips at an angle with even spacing. Make a grid pattern. Hot glue the mat to make a waffle cone. Trace colorful makeup sponges on cardboard. Draw different figures inside the circles. A flower, a butterfly, a heart. Trace the figures on the makeup sponges. Cut them out. Take wire out of soft hair curlers. Cut the foam rubber into pieces. Put the foam rubber squishy marshmallows into the cone. Decorate it with sponge figures on top. A squishy ice cream cone is a perfect stress reliever for fairies. She's not angry at her friend at all. Even Mermaid loves this stress reliever, though it doesn't look like it came from the sea. The friends are having a food anti-stress battle. Fairy made a special cocktail for it. It is made according to a secret recipe out of the best slimes. Mix clear stationery glue and coloring. Pour in gel laundry detergent. Stir it and put in some baking soda so that the slime won't stick to your hands. Knead the slime. Give it to your pet unicorn so that it will make more slimes of different colors. Put colorful styrofoam balls into a cocktail glass and add a layer of slime. Put some more balls on top and make a cocktail from slimes and colorful styrofoam balls. Stick in a cocktail straw. Decorate the glass and the straw with felt dragonflies. Attach them with double-sided tape. And there's a whole ocean in this glass. Except that this cocktail is not drinkable. You have to dip your fingers in it and take out soft styrofoam balls. They can play with this cocktail all day long. Fairy is thrilled with her anti-stress invention. But Mermaid also has something to amaze her friend with. She takes out some fresh seafood straight from the bottom of the sea. These are tentacles with soy sauce. Twist a few pieces of wire together. Bend it into different directions to make it look like a loose spiral. Wrap it in light clay. Shape a tentacle. Take little pieces of white clay and shape them into suckers. Press hollows in the suckers using the handle of a brush. Make a few tentacles. Trace a memory foam cube on a white soft foam sheet. Draw a layout of a square box to fit the size. Cut it out and sign it with a permanent marker. Hot glue the foam cube into the center of the layout and assemble the box. Make cuts at the top of the foam cube and stick in the tentacles. Seafood delivery! This is a nice delicacy. Noodles with a soft clay octopus? It's Fairy's first time trying out a sea stress reliever like this. The tentacles look like they are real. Watch out that your octopus doesn't swim away. The friends decide to do magic together. They create the most delicious stress reliever. These are squishy hamburgers with a surprise inside. Shape a piece of memory foam into a ball. Cut it in half. Make a hollow inside one half. Mix acrylic and rubber paints. And coat the squishy with sea-colored paints. Use a sponge brush. Make the inside lighter. Hot glue pieces of Velcro along the perimeter to join the halves. Put purple slime inside. Draw a jellyfish pattern on the squishy using a permanent marker. Mermaid conjures a soft jellyfish burger, and there is a slime filling inside. This is a new kind of squishy jellyfish. It won't hurt you, and it's nice to touch. You can stretch out the jellyfish slime into a thin film. It becomes clear like an actual jellyfish. Fairy Squishy Burger looks like a pink house for butterflies. It's so soft and glittery. It is made out of rainbows and sweet dreams. Color the squishy with a mixture of acrylic and rubber paints. Decorate the burger with butterflies made from a glittering soft foam sheet. Attach glitter on top using stationery glue. Hot glue pieces of Velcro to join the burger halves. Let colorful Orbeez soak in water and put them into the hollow. Close the burger. There is a surprise in Fairy Squishy Burger too. It's so satisfying to take out this colorful Orbeez filling. Sinking your fingers into cool, colorful balls calms you down. An excellent stress reliever. The friends decide to combine two flavors and to mix the fillings. Slime and Orbeez are a new kind of stress reliever. Our experiments with squishy burgers was a success. No matter how you mix them, you will get magical anti-stress anyway. Did you like our amazing stress relievers? Then write in the comments which squishy you liked the most. Mermaids or fairies? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new anti-stress toys on Troom.